In this video, I'm going to be showing you the simplest way that you can get started with affiliate marketing in 2020. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about getting started with affiliate marketing and the easiest way that you can start seeing results. Now, I know the current situation that's going on right now, and a lot of people are out of work and they're looking for other ways that they can make money. So that's why I'm making this video, to show you the fastest way that you can start making money using affiliate marketing. Now, I just want to give you guys a disclaimer. With this method that I'm going to be sharing with you, you do need to have a budget to work with. So if you're somebody who has like no money at all, I mean, you can still make money with affiliate marketing, but it's going to take a lot of work, and you're going to see, you're going to have to spend a lot of time in order to start seeing results. So that's why this video is focusing more on people who have a budget to work with, so they can spend money on paid advertising. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't have a budget to work with when it comes to paid advertising, you can start seeing results quicker if you have a large following on social media. Maybe you might have a loyal following on Instagram, you have a lot of friends on Facebook, or you might have a YouTube channel as well, and you have a lot of subscribers and people who are avidly watching your videos. But if you don't have either one of those, like I just mentioned, you're going to have to put in a lot of work, and it's going to take some time in order to start seeing results with affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for a free method to start driving traffic to your affiliate offers, my number one recommendation right now would be TikTok. And I don't know what the current situation is with TikTok. It might get banned in the US, but I mean, it's pretty easy to get followers on TikTok because it's a relatively new app compared to YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. Now, before I get any further into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're somebody who's interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me just go over to my computer to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, you guys, so this website right here is called clickbank.com. Now, I'm pretty sure you've heard of this website before if you've been interested in affiliate marketing at all. But basically, Clickbank.com has a wide variety of different products that you can promote as an affiliate, and they have a bunch of different categories that you can choose from. So whether you're in the health and fitness niche, you're going to find a ton of products that are going to be under that category. If you're in the make money online niche, or if you're in the DIY niche or any other category, you're going to find a product that's going to be related to that category that you can promote as an affiliate. So basically, how Clickbank works is you're going to sign up, you're going to create an account if you don't already have one. And once you do that, you can get access to their products to promote as an affiliate. Now, just to keep in mind, this method is for people who have a budget to spend on advertising. So let me just go ahead and log in real quick. So when you log in, you're going to click on Marketplace, and it's going to take you to this page right here. So this is where it's going to show you the different categories that they have available that you can promote as an affiliate. So if you're in arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, if you're somebody who's into cooking, food, and wine, and that's what you want to promote as an affiliate, you're going to find products that's related to that. If you're in green products, health and fitness, home and garden, there's a bunch of different products that you can promote. So whatever it is, whatever niche that you're in, more than likely you're going to find a good product to promote. So let's just take a look at one of these categories. So let's just go with e-business and e-marketing. Okay, so what it's showing us is a bunch of different products that fall under that category. Now it's showing us ones by popularity, so meaning the ones that are selling the most. But what you always want to do when looking at products on Clickbank is you want to sort by the gravity. So this should be the same product. And yeah, it's this product right here called Perpetual Income 365. So what it's doing is it's selecting the product by the highest gravity. So the highest gravity means, or gravity means how popular this product is being sold for. So the higher the number, the more popular this product is being sold for. So this can kind of relate to the make money online niche. So if I want to promote this product as an affiliate, all I have to do is just click on promote, and this is the average dollar per sale. So this product sells for $102. Now the average percent of sale is 50%, so you would be making 50% of commission. Now this product has an upsell, so this is probably not the front end sale price, $102. It's probably a lower price, and people tend to take the upsell. So let me just click on the link right here and see what it shows. And it has a sales page. It looks like a decent sales page. It has a video, and basically it looks like an email opt-in box. So people watch the video, and if they want to learn more, they're going to enter in their email. And I guess that puts them on a list where they can just follow up with them. But let me go back real quick and look at the affiliate page. So as you can see, you can make up to $343.49 in commissions per sale if somebody buys all of the upsells. If they buy the front end product and also the upsells. And this also offers a recurring monthly billing. So this looks like a pretty decent product right here. So let me just go over to a website that you can use to buy traffic from vendors who have a large email list. Now this website is called Udemy. Now this is basically, like I just mentioned, for people who are selling traffic that have a huge email list and you want to buy their traffic and just you're paying per click for everybody that clicks on your link to whatever it is that you're promoting. Now this website focuses more on the make money online niche, email marketing. So that's why I would only recommend buying traffic from this website if you're in the make money online niche. So all you have to do is just click right here where it says find sellers. So basically it's going to show you a list of sellers based on the filters that you set right here. So you can just choose what you're willing to spend and what the criteria is for the product that you're offering. So let's say marketing right here. And you can set the price max if you want to spend as low as 40 cents. I don't believe okay, if you only have 40 cents, meaning you're paying 40 cents per click for, so basically whatever product that you're promoting, for somebody to click on your link, you're spending 40 cents for each click. Now that doesn't mean that somebody's going to opt into your email list, or that doesn't mean that they're going to buy. But the more clicks that you have, the more likely of a chance that you have of selling your product. Now, in my personal opinion, I think 40 cents is pretty cheap. That could mean that they have low quality traffic. So what you're going to want to do is just do your research and look at the seller. And usually the higher quality sellers have they charge a lot more, or they charge more for higher quality traffic. So I would recommend going with as high as 95 cents, and I would say maybe 30% got sales out of those, and just put that as the filter. And the ratings, I would just always stick with 100 plus ratings. So meaning 100 people gave these, they have at least 100 reviews. And it's going to show you a list of sellers that you can just choose from, and they just have a little description. You can click on their profile and look at the ratings. See, for instance, this guy has 406 positive ratings and only 9. That's pretty good. I mean, you can't make everybody happy, but apparently this guy did, because he has 1,658 positive ratings. So this guy looks like a pretty good source. So basically how it would work, let's say if you want to buy this guy's, or if you want to get traffic from this guy, he has his own little criteria right here. The minimum he goes for is 100 visitors, so that's 100 clicks. And it's $82. And if you want to do only mobile, it's going to charge you more for that. So it's $87. If you want to do top tier, which I highly recommend, meaning you're going to receive visitors from USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore, they're going to charge you an extra 10 cents per click. So that brings it up to $92 if you're doing 100 clicks. And prime filter, I would also recommend doing that. So basically, like, you're just getting higher quality traffic when you select that option. So it's going to bring it up to $95 for 100 visitors. So, I mean, it should be pretty good quality traffic. And you can just adjust however many visitors you want to get. So this seller's max is 1,000, and you're going to spend $923. But I mean, you can just, I would recommend, if you're trying a new seller, just try out 100 visitors, see how that works out for you. If you get any sales or opt-ins, then just go for a little bit more next time. And you can just see the reviews. Like this one was July 17th, 2020. They got sales. They gave them 5 stars. This person got no sales, but they got opt-ins. And this person has, they got sales. They gave them a positive review. No sales, but positive review. So this person looks like a pretty good seller. Now, let me show you a different product. Let's say that you're not in the make money online niche. Maybe you just want to promote a different product. So let's say, for example, you want to, I'm going to show you actually a product that I was promoting in the past. Now, I don't have ads running currently for this product. Let me see. So this one right here, I believe it's easy battery reconditioning. So this one right here, I've done a video in the past on explaining more in depth on showing this product, and I was showing my results. So basically, this product shows you how to bring dead batteries back to life, so you don't have to be constantly buying new batteries, whether it's car batteries, you know, AAA or AA batteries. So this was a product that I was promoting, and the average dollar per sale is $50. So when somebody buys this product, they're gonna spend at least $50, and they pay you as an affiliate 75% of that. So that's about $32 that you make every time somebody buys the front end product, and they do offer upsells. Now the gravity is 238, which is really good. So that means this product is basically like flying off the shelves. Now, if you're gonna run paid advertising to an offer like this, I highly recommend running Facebook ads. Let me just show you real quick the Facebook ads that I ran, and this is my results. Like I mentioned, I was running these last month. I'm not currently running them right now. I might do it again in the future. But for like, depending on the audience that you choose to target, I mean, this is just my results. I got 3 purchases. For this one, I didn't get any purchases. For this one, I got 6, and it happens to be the same audience, but for some reason, I got purchases with one audience over another. And this one I got 6 purchases, and this one I got 2 purchases. So if you're going to be running Facebook ads, what I highly recommend is first creating a Facebook fan page that is based on the niche that you're going to be focusing on. So what I did is, since I'm promoting this product right here, easy battery reconditioning, this is going to be something that's considered DIY. So you're doing it yourself when you're reconditioning your old batteries. So what I did is I made a Facebook fan page that's related to DIY. So this is the Facebook fan page that I created, and it's called DIY Supply. And basically, I just have postings that are scheduled to go out. So as of this time, I have 22 scheduled postings, and basically the whole purpose of having postings scheduled to go out is to have engagement going on. So you want to have people engaging with your page, people liking, commenting, and sharing the postings that you're putting up there. And this is actually a pinned video post that I have for this battery offer right here. And that's basically all I'm doing. So as you can see, there's just postings that I have up, memes, little videos, just things that are related to DIY, living off the grid, home improvement, stuff like that, because it's related to this offer that I'm promoting. Now, if you guys want to learn more about this in detail, I did create a playlist called Getting Started with Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, and I go more in detail on how you can do it, but this is just a quick overview. Now, if you guys want me to go more in depth on how to run Facebook ads and like what to target, what audiences to target, and basically how to start making sales, then just leave a comment down below, and I'll go more into detail in that in a future video. Well, that's basically it for this video, but before I forget, I just want to say, if you're somebody who's interested and serious about starting your own online business, then I highly recommend checking out the 15-day business builder challenge. So basically, over the course of 15 days, you're going to learn how to start and build your own high-ticket, high-profit business online, and you're going to learn the 4 core business models that successful entrepreneurs use to basically create a passive income for themselves. Now, I just want to give you guys a disclaimer. This isn't free, but it's only $7 to get started for the whole 15 days, and I highly recommend it for anybody who is really serious about starting their own online business. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. Well, with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.